Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Male Karen Spits on Woman's Car Over Handicap Parking Spot. Man, he better have a handicap thing then.
On March 15, 2024, officers responded to a call of a dispute over a parking spot.
Hi, officer.
This man hit on my car. This is the second time he did this.
She said she was going to...
No, I did not.
You said you
No,
had to
I
conceal,
did not.
Karen. Okay.
You got the video on your phone, right? He was just sitting here and recorded it.
Okay, stand over there. I'm going to talk to him. There's another officer coming. We'll figure everything out, but just stand over by the door for me. Or stand right there. Okay, what's going on?
People like her, a whole bunch of entitled parents.
Okay.
We have a placard. I have bolts in my hip. My wife has one leg. What's their excuse?
Okay.
It's irritating.
Okay.
It gave you the right to spit on my car?
And that gives you the right to slash my tires?
Is your tires flat? Because I can do it right now after you just spit on my car.
We're not going to yell. Okay?
Do it, Karen. Do it in front of the cops. Go to jail.
I will.
All right, do it.
But you should have spit on my car in front of them.
How many times? Okay, we're not going to argue right here. Like, just stop. Okay? I'm trying to get your side of the story. Stop talking to her. So,
You got it.
come on, go ahead.
Just looking at the beat, just hearing the first couple of seconds, he in the right, but I don't think it isn't. Handicap is I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but handicap is a courtesy. It's not it ain't a law attached to no handicap, is it? Because, you know, I mean, is it right? No. I mean, you shouldn't park in a handicap spot. You know, if you got an old lady or a handicapped person, right? They need that spot. You know, it's closest to the door. It might be close to the ramp and stuff like that. But is that necessarily breaking the law though? I mean, yeah, it's tough.
You can see why it's irritating.
This is not okay. This is not okay.
They will only learn.
Okay, you have your ID, sir? We're exactly where we're parked.
He was parked over there, right here.
Am I talking to you, ma'am? I'm talking to him.
He ain't gonna tell the truth right now. He just said I'm a shooter.
I have it on video. I have it on video. I recorded you. If you want to see the video, I'll happily give it to you, sir.
Did you spit on your car?
I invoke the Fifth Amendment on that question.
Okay. Okay, where were you parked? What handicap spot were you parked in?
This one right here. And all I did was call her out. She starts shouting at me.
I'm sorry, call her up for what? How'd this all start?
I said, nice parking, Karen.
Okay, where?
I was standing right there.
Okay.
She starts yelling at me, saying that she's going to slash my tires. So I called the police, and she called you guys too.
Okay.
Yep.
So how did her parking affect your day-to-day?
Is it legal for her to park there without a permit?
Well, I don't know. I haven't seen if she does have a permit.
She doesn't.
Okay. Again, I'm trying to just figure out why you.
Ooh, wait. See, this is why I gotta let it play. This is why I gotta let it play, man. This is why I gotta let it play. I can't cut it off too soon. This is why. I thought the handicap spots were taken up already, and he just happened to catch her walking out or whatever, and he looked at the cars or something and noticed that she doesn't have a handicap spot and she's parked in the handicap spot. But you already was parked in a handicap spot. It didn't affect your parking, and you just yelling at her for mind your business, man. What the hell? Like, this is where people need to just mind their business. You just saying shit just to say shit, but it's not even affecting you. No.
The need to start something when it's not like I'm guessing you had a place to park, right? So it's not like she was parked here and preventing you to park in a handicap spot?
She prevents my wife almost every day.
Okay, well, I'm talking about today.
Okay.
Again, was she preventing you from parking in a handicap spot today?
Not today.
Okay.
So you just saying shit to say shit. Oh no.
Okay. So can you just go over with me what happened?
I went inside, grabbed my baby. I'm pregnant. So I run in, run back out.
Okay.
And I come back out, there's spit on my car.
Okay.
Spit on my car.
Okay.
So I already know he did because this is the second time he did this.
Okay. You have your ID and you're just saying get your info. What do you want anything done, ma'am, or no?
Yes, like this is the second time.
Okay.
Yeah, his ass is grass.
That's fine. Just for documentation purposes, did you make any sort of threats to him at all?
I said I would flat his tires, and then I said I am considered carry. So you over here just doing crazy stuff, and anybody can do anything back to you. I never said I was going to shoot him. The man have it on record. He just does. He goes send it to her. All I said, I would flash your tires.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you right now?
No.
Okay. I just want to ask. That's fine. And so, how did this all start?
All I did was walk in there, get my child came. I came. It took 1 minute. He was already right here over there. He was over there getting in the car with his kid.
Okay.
So when I'm going in, he was right there. I seen him.
Okay.
I went in, came back out. The man recorded him the whole time, sitting on my car.
But I could see it right there. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't say nothing to him. Didn't do nothing to him.
Okay.
I come out there spit. So I walked over to his car and said, "Why would you do that? That's disgusting.
Right.
That's
Yeah.
disrespectful.
Right. Okay.
This is your second time doing this.
Okay.
Sit down."
Okay. Just to tell you.
Yeah, he's cooked. Yeah, mind your business, man. Oh yeah, get him together. Get him together.
Sorry, I think there's just such an escalation because this happens to us every day.
Okay.
And I'm very soft-spoken. I tell people nicely if they can move for me, and I just get door slammed in my face, or So I think it's just one of the things.
You had a spot to park, man. We ain't trying to hear that.
So you said you had the video of her making these threats?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go over there so I can see it better.
My tires, and that she has a concealed carry, and that I'm messing with her.
Okay, well now it's changing because you said that she threatened to shoot you, and now it's
Well, when I played the video,
changing.
the video back, no, she did not say that. In the heat of the moment, I thought she did, but when I looked over the video, no, she did not say that.
Well, the issue is that yes, she admitted to threatening to slash your tires.
Yes.
But this was I believe after you had already spit on her car. So, so you want to play the video just so I can see it?
My tires?
After you just spit on my car, yes, I will.
Yeah?
Yes, I will.
All right, there's your license.
I don't care. I don't care.
Yeah, Karen.
You just spit on my car.
Yeah, I did.
And that's how I get respectful. Now get to going.
Nah, call the cops. It's just a video, honey. It's okay. The nice policeman is here. It's okay.
Oh, I will.
Call the cops, Karen.
Nice policeman.
They're going to side with you, Karen?
Okay. All right, just saying that, please. All right, so just to confirm, ma'am, so right now it would fall under his disorderly conduct if you felt alarmed and disturbed that he was yelling at you and spit on your car. So if you want to have him charged with that, I can give him a ticket for that. That's completely up to you.
Yes, because this is the second time.
Okay. Okay.
This is not okay. You just
No, I understand that. I understand that. So, okay. Okay. All right, just sit tight for me. Okay. Did you witness any of this or no?
No, my
Okay.
director, so I help out in the front. I'm secretary, and she just asked me to come out and just make sure everything's okay as the kids are leaving.
Sure.
But I didn't. The guy parked next to it did say he had a video, and if you guys took his number, if you guys needed anything, or that I have his number, something like that. I didn't really hear him.
Someone different than him?
Yeah, the one that was parked right
Oh,
here.
okay. I didn't talk to anybody else. So
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
So I was trying to get the kid inside, so I didn't really hear. But he said, his wife does work here. He said, hey, I have the video. You can get the number. I'll send them the video. And I said, okay. But I didn't witness it. My boss just came and told me to come out and just make sure everything's okay while the kids are leaving.
Okay.
So no.
Are you aware? I just out of curiosity, they said it's an ongoing thing. Are you aware of any?
Yeah, this has happened multiple times with other parents. Like if they're in a rush, they come really quick. Like with her, she's pregnant and she's high risk, so she uses it sometimes.
Yeah.
Like to come in. I just said as long as like I'm like we're not allowed to park there.
Sure.
But if you are, don't block both of them or something.
Okay.
I always try to leave an open one because we do have a parent that is handicapped.
Okay.
But like we had another parent that he did the same thing. He spit. They got very upset. They called the police.
The same guy or different parent?
Same guy. Him.
Okay.
Him with another with a different
Okay.
parent. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you. All right. So here's the deal. All right. I don't know. Again, I still don't understand why you're spitting on people's vehicles, especially when the staff says this is not the first time that you've done this.
That would be the first time, actually.
Okay. Well, again, I've had a staff member just come out and say has been multiple times now. Again, if you were parked over there, you were leaving. Her parking right here had no effect on you whatsoever.
So it's
So the
okay.
fact that you provoked her by yelling at her.
She came up to my car.
Well, you just said you started by yelling at her, nice park job, Karen, or whatever you said.
Yes.
Correct? Right. So, right, exactly. Like I said, you provoked her by yelling at her for something that doesn't affect
For
you.
no reason.
Well, it
And-
affects us on a daily basis. It
No,
affects
it
my
don't.
wife
Shut
almost
your
every day.
ass up, man.
But did it today?
I asked you that again, or before, if it affected you today, and you said no. And like I'm still trying to understand why you're blocking her in too. If you want to press the issue, you could be in handcuffs right now, okay, for preventing her from leaving. I don't know why if you're parked over there, I don't know what you felt the need to back your car up and block
her in.
prevent her
Facts.
from leaving.
Okay.
Facts.
Okay. If she felt threatened by you in any way, you're preventing her from leaving. You could go to jail for that.
Okay.
You are going to get a ticket for disorderly conduct, and that's more so of you spitting on her car. So I don't know. Again, I don't understand. It's honestly, it's disgusting. I don't know what the issue is. The fact to spit on her car.
All right.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah. So, her? Anything for her?
Well, so did she said she was going to threaten your tires. She didn't have a knife in her hand. She wasn't actively going towards your car. Okay. You initially said that she threatened to, but she didn't. She said she has a CCL, which she doesn't have any weapons on her. So there's no. It would be assault if she had a weapon in her hand making threats like that. It's not an assault because she didn't have any weapons. So.
All right. So they can park here all willy-nilly.
Well,
as
that
much
would
as
be
they
more
want?
so in the business. If obviously the staff here is aware of issues.
Well, every
maybe
time
with
we
the
tell them, nothing.
Okay.
happens.
Well, if they have an issue, then they can call us to enforce the parking
Policy.
issue as far as parking in handicapped places.
Ain't no law.
I tried calling you guys before, and
Okay.
I get told basically that it doesn't matter.
By who? An officer
previous-
or?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't know his name.
I can't speak for another officer, but I mean, if you called and said, hey, there's a vehicle parked in a handicap spot that doesn't have a placard or there isn't a wheelchair symbol on their license plate, we would come out and investigate it. Again, I can't speak for what other officers say, but that would have honestly been the better solution than to provoke somebody and spit on their car.
The man was cited for disorderly conduct and released. Thanks for watching today's video.
This is yeah. He's got real issues, man. He's got real issues, and you doing this in front of your kid. You're raising the next generation like this. A pregnant woman. Now, like I said, I understand if I don't know personally if there's a law. Let me look something up, man. Let me look it up. Let's see. Is it illegal to park in handicap spot Okay, let's see here. Is it illegal to park a handicap spot? Okay. Yes, it is illegal to park in a designated handicap spot without valid property or valid properly displayed disabled parking permit, place card, or license plate. Okay. And it's doing so is a violation of a traffic law and can result in significant fines, often range between $100 and $500 depending on the location. Okay, so it is illegal. It is. I never knew that. I thought it was like a courtesy thing, but it is illegal. But once again, it ain't affecting you. It ain't affecting you. If you somebody that, you know, there's 2 spots, lady pregnant, she running in real quick, grab her kid, in and out, boom, boom. That's it. You had a place to park. It's not like you didn't have a place to park. If you didn't have another spot to park, then I could see it. That's just like what the officer was saying. Did this affect you being able to park today? No. So you just starting shit for what? This has no effect on you. Nothing. You spitting on people's car multiple times, and you only really and he's only doing that because it's a woman. I'm gonna tell you right now, he only doing that because it's a woman. Woman, you know, getting her kids or whatever. If a man was in the car, he wouldn't do that. If I don't know if she got a man or whatever, but if her man was in the car, he wouldn't be stepping to no man like that, spitting on his car or whatever. Shit, get his ass together. You only doing that because you seeing a pregnant woman with a kid trying to do what she got, and you want to feel big and bad about some handicap shit that ain't affecting you. It's not affecting you today. You're a scumbag. You know, there's people that park in handicap spots all the time. You know, that's perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with them at all. Is it messed up? Yeah, it's messed up. It's messed up. But this lady, you know, does she technically have a handicap thing? No. But she's pregnant. The school knows about it, right? They already said that the school representative already came out, said, yeah, she's pregnant. She's actually high risk. You know, it's really no problem as long as you keep at least one spot open, because we do have a handicapped parent. Okay, no problem. The school knows. But no, you want to stick your nose in the business that ain't got nothing to do with you, man. Man, get his ass right, man. God, and then you doing this in front of the kid. Man, take your kid and keep it pushing, man. And then the wife want to step up to yeah, well, we always have problems with this. Man, shut up, man. This ain't affect you. This did not affect you. Everything was perfectly fine. You went, got your parking spot, got your kid, was going about your business. You started shit for no reason. Great job, officer. Great job. At first, I'm like, oh man, here we go. You know, I'm thinking come on, man. No. Great job by the officer, man. Outstanding. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.